Hello everyone, my name is Dimple Chandani and I am a student of class 9th A1. Today we will discuss on the topic AIDS to health. So let's start it. Now the question arises, why it is necessary to be healthy? The answer is because being healthy is really important to keep us physically, mentally and emotionally fit. If we are eating the right food and a balanced diet, we will never feel unhealthy. It also helps us to cope with the stress and fight illness. And we should also do exercise and yoga along with eating a balanced diet. So we also celebrate World Health Day on 7th April. This day is celebrated to create consciousness about keeping oneself healthy and to spread the message to everyone because being healthy is really important. Now the question is, what is immunity? Immunity can be defined as the body's defense against diseases. A body is invaded by various harmful substances like pollutants and germs all the time. They would enter in a body and destroy it. An immune system fights the germs and protects our body. How the germs or pollutants enter our body? The answer is first through skin, second through mucous membranes of eyes, nose, urinary tract, and third through food and water, and fourth through the air we breathe. Defense system in our body fights the germs in the two ways: local defense system and an immune system. The first one is the local defense system. The local defense system is a kind of barrier system which tackles the germ at their possible entry points. The first is the protective mechanical barriers. Skin. Skin has an outer tough layer made of a protein called keratin and it is almost impermeable to germs. It also protects from the UV rays of the sun. Second is the hair. Hairs intercept the germ's journey inwards or up to the skin. Third is the mucus. Mucus is a slimy secretion of the epithelial lining of various organs. Second is the thrown out if entered. Coughing, sneezing, and vomiting are direct methods to throw out the germs or any unwanted foreign body. So, when anything gets into our mouth or nose, we just sneeze or cough. The third one is the germ killing secretion: saliva, sweat, tears, and nasal secretion. And second is the hydrochloric acid secreted by the stomach to kill the germs that enter through the food. The fourth is the germ fighting WBCs. If any microbe enter the body, the white blood cells are ready to fight them and they destroy it and protect the body. Now we'll discuss about the merits of local defense system. The first one is they start working at that instant. Second, they are not dependent on previous exposure to infections. And third, they are effective against a wide range of potentially infectious agents. Now, what is immune system? Immunity is a resistance to one set of a disease after infection by harmful germs. The kinds of immunity, it is classified into two types: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Now the first one, innate immunity. This immunity is by a virtue of genetic constitutional makeup. Innate immunity is also of two types. The first one is a non-specific innate immunity, a degree of natural resistance to all infections in general. And the second is the specific innate immunity. This is a natural resistance to a particular kind of germ only. The next is the acquired immunity, resistance to a disease which an individual acquires during his lifetime. It may also be of two types, like first one actively acquired immunity and the second one passively acquired immunity. The first one, this is a resistance developed by an individual due to a previous infection or antigen. The actively acquired immunity is divided into two types: naturally acquired or artificially acquired. The B1, passively acquired immunity. This is the immunity provided to an individual not by his own body. It is also the antibodies are special chemicals found in blood which act against the germs or their secretions. The antibodies block the way through which the germs enter in our body. Now we will discuss about AIDS. AIDS is a condition in which the immune system falls. Its full form is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is a disease in which there is a severe loss of body cellular immunity, greatly lowering the resistance to infection and malignancy. Now we'll discuss about some terms. Vaccination, the act of introduction of any kind of dead or weakened germs into the body of a living being to develop immunity against a respective disease or diseases. Next is immunization. It's developing resistance to disease producing germs or their toxins by introducing killing germ or germ substances to induce the production of specific antibodies. Next is the antitoxin. Antitoxin was a name given to any chemical substance produced inside the body in response to entry of foreign poisonous substances. Next, antiseptics are mild chemical substances which, when applied on the body, kill germs. Next is the disinfectants. These are the strong chemical substances that are applied on spots and places where germs thrive and multiply. Next is the antibodies. The first antibody was penicillin. It was discovered in 1929, but its first use for treating any human disease was tried in the 1914. The term antibiotics for such category of drugs was coined much later by Selman Waksman in 1942. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it.